Hello guys! Today I will show you how to make torn paper transition effect in Canva. Let's get started. First go to the elements. After that, search for man with forest on bicycle. Next, choose and add it, then make it full size. Click on the flip option and then click on flip horizontal. You need to go to the Elements tab and add a frame triangle. Then, place it on the upper left side. Then duplicate the background image and then add it to the frame. Then, you need to double-click on the frame, rotate the image using Smart Crop, and then use Crop to align the image with the other background image. Then, go to Elements and add a scratch paper line. Increase its size and place it aligned with the frame so that it is not visible. Next, go to Edit Image, then click on Adjust. Increase the temperature to 100 and the brightness to 29. Decrease the tint to 42. This was our image. So, how did you like this image? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.